If you've been dealing with hair loss, then you know how it can affect your confidence and your daily life. You've probably tried many things and maybe they haven't given you the results you were hoping for. The options out there can sometimes feel outdated or limited. So today I want to share with you a more modern approach to hair loss, one that offers more than just a quick fix. I'm Misty, a certified trichologist who's treated over 2,000 clients, and today I want to introduce you to a plant-based, non-toxic approach I've developed with a biochemist designed to give you more options and to help you feel more confident in your hair journey. I've worked with so many people who feel like they've tried it all, from drugstore foams to prescriptions and even supplements that promise the world, but not all treatments are the same and they don't always work for everyone. Minoxidil. This is usually the go-to, the first common recommendation for hair loss, and while it can help slow shedding for some, it is not always the right solution for every person. I've had clients experience side effects, or they simply didn't get the results they were hoping for. And while minoxidil primarily works by improving the circulation, its effects can also be temporary, and you need to be maintaining it with continued use. Once you stop, the effects will go away. That's why I wanted something better for my clients, something gentler, backed by science, and in line with how the body naturally functions. After all, hair loss isn't just about one thing. You can't forget things like stress, inflammation, circulation, even nutrition can play a role. So when treating hair loss, it's important to address all of these factors and not just apply a one-size-fits-all solution. I developed my approach, which uses plant-based peptides and a technique called dermastamping. Together, these help support circulation, calm inflammation, and create an environment for healthier looking hair without relying on harsh chemicals. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that act as signaling molecules in the body. Some research suggests that certain peptides can play a role in supporting skin and hair health by influencing processes like inflammation, circulation, and tissue repair. And when we apply that topically, especially in combination with microneedling or dermastamping, they can help create a healthier scalp environment. I've chosen to work with plant-based peptides. So these are natural compounds that are formulated to help support hair health and scalp health. They reduce that inflammation, promote circulation, and support the body's own natural process of rejuvenating the scalp without harsh chemicals. So while the science is still evolving, there's promising research that shows these peptides can be a gentle, effective option for some individuals. It's important to remember that results can vary. Some of my clients have explored multiple options, including minoxidil, and have also added peptides and dermastamping into their hair care routines. For some, these approaches have brought positive changes to the health and the appearance of their hair and scalp. But it's important to note these are individual experiences and results may not be the same for everyone if there's an underlying medical condition that needs to be addressed. If you'd like to see some of the results of my treatments, feel free to visit my website, linked below, for more information and get a closer look. And if you're interested in exploring personalized hair restoration strategies with me, I'd love to help you navigate your options. Everybody's hair journey is unique, and I believe it's important for you to have the education and the knowledge to be able to make the best decision for your situation. You can schedule a consultation with me to talk about your specific needs, or check out more resources in my website for tips on nutrition, stress management, and other ways to support healthy hair. There's also a lot of free downloads and PDFs. Hair loss can be soul-crushing, but you do not have to face it alone. There are more options than ever before, and I want you to feel confident and empowered with the right information. In my next video, we'll dive into the importance of scalp health and how it plays a critical role in hair restoration. Stay informed and feel your best. Hit the subscribe and like to get the latest tips straight to your feed.